Hi guys, RingCentral and 8x8 are two of the most popular cloud-based communication and collaboration products today, but which one should you be using? To help you make an informed decision, I'll explain the main differences between RingCentral and 8x8, and we'll consider 4 criteria to see how these two tools stack up. We'll leave the link in the description, you can use it, and you can start with the free version, and if you like it more, you can upgrade risk-free. And thank you for using the links in the description. So let's find out which is better for you. For the video conferencing. After conducting an in-depth analysis, we found that both providers offer similar features, such as screen sharing, group chat, and HD video and audio functionalities. However, RingCentral MVP stands out for its more advanced interactive video conferencing features. It uses artificial intelligence to filter out unwanted background noise like lawnmowers, keyboards, and animal barks, and creates meeting summaries for you. Additionally, RingCentral's Glassboard mode allows you to move your video image anywhere on the screen during a presentation or while using a conference background. This creates a more professional-looking presentation, as if you're projecting your slides onto a display. RingCentral also offers a Team Huddle feature, which creates a virtual workspace where colleagues can come and go as needed. It's perfect for quick collaborations or impromptu meetings. On the other hand, if you need to host conferences with more than 200 participants, 8x8 is the better choice. Its HD audio and video conferencing can accommodate up to 500 active participants, making it ideal for larger teams and events. So in summary, both RingCentral and 8x8 offer video conferencing solutions, but RingCentral's MVP package provides more advanced features, including AI-powered noise reduction, Glassboard mode, and Team Huddle. And for the reporting and analytics? First up, we have RingCentral MVP, which offers supervisor reports and analytics. These reports display key metrics and KPIs for call center activity, usage, adoption, collaboration, and performance. With RingCentral, you can customize your reports by user, channel, department, and historical or live time frame. This allows you to view KPIs as statistical data, wallboard, table, or graph. One of the coolest features of RingCentral is its service quality metrics. These metrics support IT teams, such as the connection and audio quality of devices and ISP streams. With historical records to help troubleshoot, video reports display microphone and camera health for each user. It's perfect for ensuring that your team is always performing at their best. Next up, we have 8x8 Work. 8x8 offers analytical dashboards displaying usage and performance metrics. Supervisors can sort metrics by department and user, or by custom historical time frame. This allows you to keep a close eye on your team's performance and ensure that everyone is on track. One of the standout features of 8x8 is its call traffic reports. These reports provide call activity metrics including total calls and missed calls, sortable by the hour, day, and week. This makes it easy for supervisors to gauge seasonal, weekly, and daily trends. Finally, both RingCentral and 8x8 offer custom reports. This allows you to generate your own reports for the metrics you care about, using templates or starting from scratch. With custom reports, you can ensure that you're always keeping track of the things that matter most to your business. And for outbound communication, when it comes to preventing spam, RingCentral has the edge over 8x8. It offers spam prevention, which is not available on any of 8x8's plans. However, both providers offer a great range of inbound communication features, including voicemail, customizable greetings, localized and toll-free numbers, company hours, and a virtual receptionist on all plans. There are some limitations on both providers' basic plans. For example, RingCentral doesn't offer call queues or ring groups on either the Essentials or Standard plan. Meanwhile, 8x8's Express plan doesn't include voicemail to text, call queues, or ring groups. In conclusion, both RingCentral and 8x8 offer solid inbound communication features. However, if spam prevention is a priority for you, then RingCentral is the better choice. So choosing between RingCentral and 8x8 depends on your business and your needs. Both tools come with advantages and disadvantages, so there's no best solution. It will depend on your current needs. Other than that, it's up to you. So yeah, that's it for this video. You can check the links in the description, and that helps a lot. Thank you. And hopefully this video will help you out. If it did, please leave a comment and click the like button. That helps too. And goodbye for now.